Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no sound issue you're having with your PS5 controller on your PC. Now your computer automatically switches the audio device over to the controller, so we have to go back in the PC menus and switch it over to your speaker once again. Now there's a couple of different ways we can do that. We can go over to the speaker icon in the bottom right side of the screen, select this with the left click, and then go over to this, and we can switch it back over to our speakers instead of the wireless controller. So your computer thinks this is a speaker, so it switches it over to the newly plugged in device. Now we can also go to the Windows Start button and then go to Settings. Then under System, let's go to Sound. Then here's the output devices on the top. Switch it from your wireless controller over to your speaker. Then we want to do the same thing for our input. You can see my microphone is switched over to my DualSense wireless controller as well. So we want to switch this under here. So my speakers are set up for the output and my microphone is set up for the input, and I should be good to go now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.